moving on to number 10. Chris, can you read the problem for me, please?
Yeah. A particle moves along the x-axis so that at any time t greater than or equal to 0, its position is given by xt equal t squared e to the power of negative 3t. For what values of t the particle is at rest?
Thank you, Chris. So xt, meaning this is position function. Okay? Xt is position function. Okay. And this is t squared and then e to the power of negative 3t. So what applies right here? What rule applies? Product, right? Product rule. T is the f. T squared is the f, and then e to the power of negative 3t is the g. Or, as I said last time, I'm not using f that times g prime plus g times f prime, but I just say it the first times the second. I don't know if your teacher is doing that also. And then plus the second times the derivative of the first. It's just the same as f times g prime plus g times f prime. Okay, so this means x prime of t. Okay, so you're gonna have the first. What is the first? T squared times the derivative of the second. So we have e to the power of negative 3t, but the power is differentiable. Am I right, guys? What's the derivative of negative 3t? It's going to be negative 3. Okay? So the first times the derivative of the second plus the second. So the second is e to the power of 3t times the derivative of the first, which is 2t, right? Okay, 2t. Okay, and then simplifying further, we can simplify this now as negative 3t squared and then e to the power of negative 3t and then plus 2t e to the power of negative 3t. Can we factor out what is common to this 2 is e to the power of negative 3t, right? So we factor that out. So e to the power of negative 3t times, so what's next? We have, can I write first this positive? Okay, so we have 2t minus 3t squared. Question? Clarification? And then what do we do? Equate into 0, right? Equating into 0, that means, now I'm just writing this for the sake of discussion. E to the power of negative 3t. This one is not possible. Okay, not possible. So we have this. We focus on 2t minus 3t squared. Okay, which means what is common factor? T is common, right? So we factor out 2t and then 2 minus 3t, right? So of course this is 0. Okay. So we have, what time? It ends.
We have a 10-minute break and then we come back.
We have 10-minute break
Yeah.
after 10:30?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 6 minutes left, okay? So can I continue this? So we can factor now, t is equal to 0, right? And the other factor would be 2 minus 3t is equal to 0. So we have 2 is equal to 3t. Therefore, the other value of t is 2/3. Okay, 2/3. So, and right here is 0. So these are the value of t. Okay, 0 and 2/3. So what letter is this? Letter C, right? 0 and 2/3. So after the break, if you wish to stay here, how among you are staying here after the break? You want to continue here in the second session? If you are not staying here on the second session, I'll give you the entire solution of this topic. What do you want? If you're not staying, I'll give you the solutions of the entire topic. You're not staying here in the second session? Not staying here? If you're staying here, I'll give you the pocket later.
Now we're trying to do this.
Can you guys enjoy reviewing yourself? Okay? Self-review is important. Do you still have time? Almost. 3 more minutes. So, guys, if you're not staying, can you evaluate right away? Student evaluation. Please have your phone. If you're not staying here, please do the evaluation. And I need you have 2 evaluations guys. Okay? For me as a teacher and for student evaluation. Okay? So these guys